Going for a 10 in all your categories of the website? Let's take a look at these extras that'll help you achieve that goal. First, you could consider adding additional images, quotes, and subtitles. Going beyond the minimums of 1 for causes, 1 for description, 1 for effects, and actually adding in subtitles will really help your website sing. It'll show more research, enhance your story, and help the viewer better understand the website and the story more. Consider using buttons to help navigate between pages. It's a nice touch that goes far in website design. Consider adding an image carousel, where you place appropriately a group of images together when you want to share more of them. You could even place them in order of time. And yes, Google image search still works here. You could also add a video clip to enhance what you're talking about, maybe a primary source, like a speech or a newsreel. And yes, there is a YouTube search built right in, or you can upload from your camera roll. Consider embedding or linking documents, because this can enhance your story if there are important documents associated with your topic. This can be done with buttons, like in the example with the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Consider adding an extra page. Include interesting content or facts that you discovered. Help teach more about your subject. Remember, all extras should enhance the website and be thoughtfully chosen. We'll show you a few of those examples. Let's look at the sample website to see all those extras in action. The first thing you'll notice is navigation. Not only can you use the top, but at the bottom of the page, of the home page, you have a button that brings you straight to causes. On the causes page, you'll notice that each paragraph has images to match it and subtitles, which show more meaning. In particular, a video clip was selected, which explains the importance of Rosa Parks' decision and explains how the movement was born based on that. A button will take us to description. When you go to the description page, you'll notice again more images are used, 1 for each paragraph. More subtitles are used, but this time the image is actually, or the video clip, is actually the I Have a Dream speech from Martin Luther King, making it a primary source. There's also multiple quotes, 1 from Martin Luther King, which highlights from I Have a Dream speech, and below you have 1 from John Lewis, who also spoke at the rally. Below that, we have an image carousel, which goes along with the entire march itself. The first is a flyer advertising the march. Notice the captions and that the images go in order. The next one shows protesters at the march. The next one showing support from NBA players. The next food service at the march. More protesters at the march. Martin Luther King Jr. about to speak at the march. A newspaper headline. For effects, you'll notice there are multiple images and subtitles again. This time, the image for Goodbye Segregation is actually a newsreel from the time frame. So once again, it's going to be a primary source. If I scroll below, you'll notice that we have a quote from the Civil Rights Act itself, and we have a link to the Civil Rights Law, done with a button. When we go back, we'll see that we can click straight to sources, and that there was 4 used for both secondary and primary, making it more than was required.